Okay, let's add SAML SSO using Entra. We are with our admin role, so we are going to enable the integration. And we have to enter the domain for our company. In this case, I'm going to use the prowler.com domain, and that it's going to set up the URL. And we have also the audience. We need both strings to configure our application. Let's go to Enterprise Applications in the Entra portal, New Application, and we have to click in Create Your Own Application. You can put a name to identify the application and mark the integrate any other application and just create. Okay, it takes a bit. Okay, now that the application is created, we need to go to Setup Single Sign-On. You have the button there and there. We are going to choose SAML. And okay, now we need to use the strings we saw in the SAML configuration. In Prowler, we are going to go back and copy. The audience is going to be our identifier or our entity ID. And then the reply URL. Well, let's just save. Okay, and that's ready. Now, if we don't want the user to start with no permissions, we need to configure the attribute and claims, and we can set up a default user type that we already have created in Prowler. We have an auditor role that has access to see all the findings, so we can just write it here. We could have other roles by default, admin if your organization is small, or maybe use a no permission role if you want to set up those manually each times a new user logins using SSO. Okay, so that's it. We have the user type set up. We can continue with the configuration. Now we need to download the XML generated by this, and okay, we have it here. Let's go back to Prowler dashboard, and we just upload that XML. Okay, ready. We just hit save. Everything is ready. And we have the integration enabled. So next step is just test if everything is working. In a different window, let's try to sign in with my email. I already have this user assigned to the application in the Azure portal, so here we go. Let me grab my password. Okay. And we have it. We are with the user using SSO.